Greetings, hikers and mushroom seekers, mushroom hunters. It looks like we are in the Poconos, doesn't it? But we're not. We're in a new venture today. A new venture. I did a little Googling. I found about 4 more parks. And wow, look at this. Look at all these. There's so much trees came down. I'm wondering how many different mushrooms are going to take over. The oysters in the springs are going to take over. The pheasant backs are going to take over. I'm very excited. Everybody has to stay healthy though. So having enough problems with that with family members and things. So when I can get out, I want to get out. Got a lot of people to take care of. There we go. Let you know when we find anything. New parks. Oh, and there is still snow up here. I thought there would be. There are some snow where it burned off, and then there's some snowier spots. We'll see what we got. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, dang it. There it is. Alright, we're going to explore this place. The woods look big. Old woods, trees. Wow. Let's check it out. She's got this old barn here. The playground. That's where they do the ice cream. I saw that on the Google. I brought my Google with me. That's how I got here. Put it on location, which I usually don't do. I cheated. Let's see. Oh, good. They got a porta poopty right there. I'll use that. I guess I can park over here where this truck is. I'll park right here. Need plenty of room, of course. Wow, it's got trails here. It's got trails in the back. And it's got a pond. Let's check out this hidden pond. Alright, you guys can go. Finally, we get to go on another trip with Dave. Oh. Looks like it's a doggy walker park, too. Doggy walker park. Ah. Yeah, big dog there. I don't know what kind it is. Oh, this place is neat. This place is neat. Look at this. Doggy. Oh, I didn't have it on. This place is neat. This place is neat. Look at this. Back it up. It's got a pavilion. It's got a trail that loops around. Plenty of big old trees. My hands are freezing too, so I better save some for the pond. Let's go right to the pond. Wow. Some holly. Oh, there it is, straight down in the corner. Let's just get to that. We'll see you in a moment. See in the twinkling of an eye. Boogers. Oh, that's all right. Here we go. Let's get there to the pond. There's the pond down there. And there's people walking behind me. There we have it there. I want to check all this out. Some really nice, looks like a lot of oak back along the edge. We'll check that on the way back. There's a fine trail that goes around the pond. A fine trail. This is nice. This is nice. So of course it's low. Nice one. Of course it's low. snow for the winter. I don't know how they'll survive this year. You can see it's already down from the drought itself. Yeah, it's already a few feet lower, not because of the drawdown. It's just like a puddle pond. There's no drawing down to this, as far as I can tell. It should be coming up to that spout over there. But should be coming up to that spout, but it's not because it's a drought. Yeah, that's the size that I thought it would be from Google. Oh, I'm going to check out some mushroom trees. I'll get back. Here's behind the pond. Oh, here we are. It looks pretty good. Well, there you go. David, maybe we should inspect that pipe drainage area. The heck, man, a strong breeze and... Sorry about the hat, Dave. You're gonna have to fix it. That crazy glue. Bobby, you're crazy enough. Don't inhale that stuff. Just leave it alone, buddy. Let's go inspect the pipe. Hi, Bobby, I want you to go down in there. Yeah, right, Jim. Down into the... They told you up there. That's pretty. There's my hat. I could lose my hat. Sure could, man. Get over there. Bobby, are you alright? Bobby! Bobby! Open up. Jeez, open up, Jim, man. Come on. Oh, shit. Back in the bag, back in the bag. Oh, Dave, get my hat, Dave. It's just staying there for a while. Don't cause me down in there. Dave, it's really getting cold out. Get in there. Just get in there. Oh man, you guys. Alright, we're gonna move on. Whoa, look at the size of this. Something like that. Big, gnarly. What is it? It's a big old oak. Check it out. I don't know what kind. It's a big old oak. Look at the size of this thing. Stand in front of it over here. Wow. I mean, it's pretty big. I got my big jacket on. It's getting cold out here, folks. It is getting cold. Not doing it justice. That's a big oak tree, though. Go back with the back. There we go. Well, you can see. Dave, should I climb that thing? No, you can't climb that thing, Jim. Most of the mushroom trees seem to be on the other side. More dead oak looking things. Let's check it out. Well, we'll continue going this way, away from the pond. There's the sun. We'll circle around because it seemed to be pretty thick back in here on the Google. I didn't know there was an actual path, so that makes it easier. It still looks nice. It's not blacktopped. I can't stand blacktop. I hate blacktop trails. All right, looks good. Looks good. Oh, it goes all the way back. Oh, that's probably the one that goes down and around there. You know, those people with the baby, and she's freezing their baby on them. There's the gravel that leads us back there. This goes up to the home. Where are we at here? All right. This is cold. I like the fuzziers work better. So I know I got some buggers hanging off, but that's all right. There we go. Just gonna walk this way. Carefully, carefully. So it gets the least amount of sun on this angle too. There's a lot of big trees though. I'm expecting some really good shrooming here. Unless some of those other PA Walker mushroomers get here too before me. Yes, interesting. Yeah, I thought there was only Learn Your Land and then the PA Walker on YouTube anyway. Never met her for real. Got a good channel. PA Creek Walker. Let's see. Down here, around here. Jeez, I haven't found anything yet though, but these look really good. Whenever I see cut logs like these, I expect to find plenty of oysters and the usual basic fives. Yes. Well, hopefully I'll find a chicken remnant. Let's see what's down here. We got the dog walkers. Hi. Doing a nature walk.
Is that a good video?
Huh? Huh?
You like that?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know what that was about. So there's some, I stopped, she thinks I stopped for her. I stopped because I saw some polypores here and I wanted to get the camera out before it shut off in my pocket. So here's well, as you know, people, I do the dog pictures in my video. So here's some big, most likely resonances. That's why I don't like doggy parks. I really don't. The people, well, I know what she's like, in my opinion, just by that little brief meeting. Most people I met were very, they stop and give a few respectful words of what's going on, but I guess she assumed I was taking a picture of her. Well, never mind. I'd be arrested if I was dressed with those pants on. Okay, here we go. This is, what the heck is going on? What? So these are the polypores. Oh, we got more Dogwalkers conflicts. How's it going? I heard the dogs barking.
Oh,
Yeah. Doing a nature. I thought you were carrying a baby earlier.
I'm carrying a baby.
Oh, you are? Oh, I thought it was a poodle from this angle. That's the. Okay. It's like it was a baby last time. Now it's a poodle. I just noticed these resinous polypores on the tree here. The resinous polypores. They'll probably grow back here next year, right here. Yep. So these, unless they're actually birch polypores, but they might be resinous. And if they were soft enough, I'd be able to, when they're fresh, you can break them off. That's how I can tell the difference right away with the root beer sap coming out of them. I think they're resinous though. But caught my eye. It was the only thing that caught my eye. Oh, here's another. Check this out. There's something else here. Oh, this might be oysters. This might be oysters right here. It's not chicken. It might be oysters. That's some kind of turkey tail. I always try to communicate with people when I think they're going to see me, because I look like, you know, I am a man, and camouflage is scary. If I wear pink, I'll be all right. Pink and yellow with blue dots, I'll be okay. If I wear a clown outfit and I'm walking a dog, I'll be all right. If I'm wearing the tights, I'll be just right. Alright, I gotta go. I get joking around about that stuff all over the place. So, we have a little bit of snow. See, I had to put Jim away, Jim and Bobby, because they would cause a lot of trouble with these folks that don't already know who he is. But, let's circle around. If he goes around, yeah, I think he goes around. What does this say? It's constructed by a troop. Let's see. I'm going to shut this off until we possibly find something else. Alright, this is neat. It's starting to open up into some big dead trees. Partially alive trees. Ground is frozen. Ground is frozen and my nose is running. We're just going to have some fun and hopefully get some mushroom stalks to see. Alright. Let's see if we find it. So we found the polypores so far. There's some big dead trees here. We'll be back if we see anything. Ooh, that's some shaggy hickory there. What's that? Shaggy hickory. Let's see what's on the ground. Is that shaggy birch? Yeah, it looks like hickory. See it? Whoop. Wow. All around the back. That's good. That's really flaking off. Like much of society, flaking off. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the heck is this? This is... Oh, what the heck is this? That's not chicken. What? I never saw it look black. It's too thin, too. What is this? What is this? It came up in clusters. over here too. More. Is this a big type of turkey tail? I've never seen them this. Wow. Yeah, they're too thin to be chicken. Wow. Look like some type of turkey mushroom. Turkey tail. Alright, let's get back out of here. Got a little bit of space left. Oh, this is the... I had it on the whole time? Okay. Probably didn't take the video then. We'll see. Here's the stream, I think, that comes from the pond itself. It would be if there was any overflow, but like we said, there's no overflow. Yeah, most places I see a lot more mushroom stalks. There's a little turkey tail. Oh yeah. You got it growing at the base of the tree, or it fell off. Some type of chicken of the woods. And it might be a small, might be a Cincinnatus. But right down there, let me check behind and up in the tree. That's odd for it to be just growing there. Pileated woodpecker. I heard one behind it too. Well, I don't see any more. My fingertips are seriously getting frozen, so I'm gonna head back. This should lead me back to this field. All right, talk to you later unless I turn it back on again. Oh yeah, I think it's turning back out. Yes, this is the one that we'll leave it on until the end and then we'll head out. And I'll upload this evening near the 5G towers. Look it up by the towers, it'll go up 10 times as fast. Load them videos up by the towers 10 times as fast. Alright, I don't want to get lost. There's some neat looking logs in here though. Alright, I'm on 25 minutes. I'll shut this off. Well, we completed the whole loop. There we have it. The pond is right over there, over that ledge. And there's the pavilion. We walked around that way and went all the way around. We didn't take the left loop though, behind the pavilion there. The far left, we didn't take that because saw enough of what that looked like. But these trees, they look the most impressive. Let's see if there's anything on these on the way back. And if I find some chicken stocks or polypores, I'll let you know. Alright, there's oaks all over this place. Oak trees all over the place. Question to mushroom hunters, nature lovers, mostly mushroom hunters. You ever notice a place that is full of oaks? I've noticed they don't have much chicken of the woods. If I go to a park that only has a few oak trees, they have chicken of the woods on those few oak trees. The ones that have all the oak trees like this place, I hardly ever find chicken of the woods. So it's supposedly the preferred tree. It just baffles me. It baffles me. Well, I didn't even find wood ear. I was hoping to find some edible wood ear today. It's like the only thing I'm chasing is my nose. I am not chasing anything. I'm enjoying this. This here, look at this. I mean, you would think there'd be something on here. I'm gonna let this. A piece of wire grew in here. You'd think there'd be. What the heck? Where's that branch bouncing? Something jumped? That's just the wind. Yeah. It's a neat place, but I thought I'd see more chicken in the woods. It's only one little piece. It's probably chicken. All right, we're out of here. That was a fun trip. We have another place nearby to go. It's only about 8-10 minutes away.